Hello investors, welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 7 penny stocks for the month of July. Now these are going to be penny stocks that have news coming up which could potentially drive prices up if all the criteria fits together. Now these penny stocks have either phase 1, 2, 3 data or FDA, PDUFA data, and as we all know, PDUFA data has about an 80% success rate, and as the drug has progressed pretty far into the stages and has a higher success rate because it's gotten further in, and that is something that we're going to be looking for. Now before we get into the list, guys, thank you for always smashing that like button. We destroyed the goal last time. Can we destroy the goal once again? Let's see if we can get over 500 likes. Last month we got almost 700 likes on the video. Thank you so much for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you guys want a free stock, obviously, sign up for Webull, get 2 free stocks. Sign up for Robinhood, receive a free stock. And I also have an M1 Finance link that you guys can sign up for as well. Alright guys, now let's get into the list, and you might want to stick around on this one because the number 1 and the number 2 penny stocks for the month of July are going to be very, very hot with a very, very nice, nice potential to look at. So definitely stick around until the end of the video for this one. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the list. The number 7 penny stock on our list is actually going to be ENDP, that is the ticker symbol, currently trading at $3.49. It's down about 2 cents as of close on Thursday. The drug that is being looked at is going to be right here, and this is going to be a PDUFA. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Already a PDUFA, which means we have around an 80% success rate. It doesn't obviously mean that it's going to be 80% success rate, but it has a higher success rate than phase 1, 2, or 3 data. Now, this one is actually for Monday. It's going to be July 6, 2020, PDUFA date. If we take a look at their chart right here, this is the chart. So this stock, obviously, with the market, when the market crashed, it went from about $6.50 all the way down here to a low of about $2.28. And as the market recovered, the stock recovered a little bit as well. Now, currently, we're trading at around $3.43. We have a support area. So our support area is built right there. And as long as we stay in that channel, we're okay. Now, depending on what news comes out with the stock, obviously, this could break through. We have this gap to fill up all the way up to about $4.50. Once we break that gap, we have a gap all the way up to about $6.50. So we have 2 gaps right here, 2 resistance areas that we can break through and potentially keep on running with positive data. Now this is one to definitely keep a close eye out on because it's a PDUFA, and obviously it's very quick. It's going to happen tomorrow, so keep an eye out on this one. Be careful. Obviously, you never want to hold penny stocks. Penny stocks are meant to be in and out pretty much. You never want to bag hold any of these because they're very, very dangerous. If you have not traded penny stocks in the past, I would not suggest it. I would say to go ahead and paper trade, obviously. Like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I always put a disclaimer in the video, so do your own research before investing into any type of stocks, whether it's penny stocks or blue chip stocks. Always do your own research. Don't trade based off anybody else's opinion. The number 6 penny stock for the month of July is going to be ticker symbol OBSV. OBSV is currently trading at $6.15, up about 19 cents as of the close, about 3.19%. The drug that is being looked at is currently right there, and if we look at this right here, it's going to be a phase 3 data. So phase 3, very important. This one is going to be also tomorrow on Monday, July 6, 2020. Phase 3 data met primary endpoint December 9, 2019. 12-month date due July 6, 2020. So let's take a look. Right here, if we take a look, this one had a huge fall right here. It went from about $8 all the way down here to about $3. It's been pretty much trading in that pattern right there, $3, $2.50 area. But right here, as we can see, from about the end of April, beginning of May, this stock has just been trending up, and it's gone from about $2 all the way up here to about $6 right now. So it's had an increase of almost 200%, almost 200% right there. If we take a look, obviously tomorrow, July 6th, if we have positive news, this one could definitely continue to run. But it doesn't have to, obviously, and can definitely break through this $8 barrier, and then we just continue running. So this is a very, very nice setup. We're potentially already running up. But the thing is with these, this could be one of those where it's running up to the news, and obviously once the news happens, even if the news is positive or negative, it doesn't matter. The stock might just have a sell-off where it just dips on down. But, you never know. It could actually potentially keep running up. And, if we can break through that $8 area, we have, no man's land, and we keep going up. So very nice support area and, very nice resistance area right there to hit. We have about, $2 play right there that could continue to run up. So definitely one to keep a close eye out on tomorrow. And real quick, actually, before we end the OBSV, it actually has two different ones. So this one right here, Primrose 2, and then it has Primrose 1. So it has two different ones right there to look at. So keep an eye out on both, actually. And they're both tomorrow, phase 3 data on both. Now the next one, number 5 on our list, is going to be down here, OSMT. So OSMT is currently trading at $6.47, down about 3% as of the close. The drug that is being looked at is going to be right here, RVL 1201. And this is going to be, once again, PDUFA, ding, 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 let's go. So this one obviously, again, has a higher success rate. So there's a bigger chance of being successful than, phase 1, 2, or 3 data. And this one is going to be on July 16, 2020. If we take a look at OSMT, it's been doing very nice. So down here since the beginning of April, so end of March, it was trading around $3, currently trading at around $6.47. So over 100% gain on this one. It's been running up very nicely. Don't really see a support or resistance area, but if we can break through this $7, $7.50 area, obviously it has a lot more room to continue running up. If it breaks through, obviously down here, it could go down all the way to about $4.50, which is not a good thing, but we're very bullish. I mean, even if you look here, short-term bullish, mid-term bullish, long-term bullish. This stock is very bullish right now, especially with the PDUFA data that is coming up with it. But that doesn't always mean that it's going to continue going up or that it's going to be a positive drug look for it. All right, guys, number 4 on our list for the month of July for the penny stocks to invest in or to research is going to be ticker symbol SLGL, currently trading at $8.69, down about 0.5% as of the close. The drug that is going to be looked at right there is Verid. It's going to be an NDA, and it's going to be on July 2020. So we don't have an exact date, but it said it's entry moved to July 2020 due to missed timeline. So on this one, obviously this stock right here, or this penny stock, went from about $9 all the way up here to about $17. That's a huge jump, almost a 100% jump. And then over time, throughout the beginning of 2020, it's continuously went down all the way down here to about $5.88. And now it's been, slowly been trending back up, trading at around $8. So it did make a nice jump here, from about $6 to $8, so about $2 gain. This one is not my favorite one to look at, but it is bullish short-term and mid-term if we look right there. Long-term, obviously bearish, but with penny stocks, you're not going to be holding these for months. These are going to be quick in and outs. Obviously, with some positive news that comes out with this one, we could definitely continue to go up. There's a nice gap to fill through. We have a nice support area right here around this $7, $8 range, so that is a good thing as well. As long as we don't break through that $8 and pass down through the $6 area, then we have something to worry about. But other than that, this stock, just one to keep an eye out on. Nothing major, nothing huge with it, but it is one to see what's going to happen with it. And at number 3 for the month of July for stocks to look at, penny stocks, is going to be ticker symbol OTIC. OTIC is currently trading at $3.16, down about 7% actually at the close. The drug that is being looked at is OTO 313. This is going to be a phase 1-2, and it's going to be on July 2020. If we take a look at this chart right here, it's a very nice chart. So the stock here at the end of 2019 jumped from about $2.50 all the way up here to about $4, and then slowly, as the market crashed actually at the end of March right there, or beginning of March, it went from about $3 all the way down here to about $1.50. And then as the stock recovered, it went from about $1.50 here all the way up to about a high of $4 almost. And now we took this dip right here. Obviously, this one was, trending up to the news, and now the news is going to be coming up this month. It took a little bit of a dip, which is good because, we don't want to keep on going up forever. It's making a little dip. Hopefully, we're going to build up a little support area right there. And as long as we build up a support area around that $3 area with some positive news, that could actually continue to trend back up after the news, which is going to be positive for us. And we could catch a little nice gain on this stock or this penny stock. Obviously, one thing down here we're looking is volume is nice. So right here when we had this huge jump, volume was very nice. Right here when we had another spike, volume was very nice as well. About 700,000 shares traded. Over here, as we can see, volume is starting to pick up once again. We had a decent day right here with about 500,000, almost 600,000 shares traded on June 23rd. So as long as this one has some decent volume, nice data that comes out, it could continue to trend on up. So another one to keep a close eye out on. The number 2 penny stock for the month of July is going to be ticker symbol CLSN. CLSN is currently trading at $4.26, up about 79 cents as of the close, or 22.77%. Now on this list, this is my favorite penny stock to look at for the month of July actually. So this is one that I'm going to be definitely keeping an eye out on, and I might even make a little trade on it. This stock that is being looked at is right there, and it's going to be for liver cancer. This is going to be a phase 3 data on July 2020, phase 3 second analysis due following IDMC meeting first half of July 2020, final readout first quarter of 2021. So this one, beautiful. This stock is going to be amazing in my opinion. But this stock was trading at around 80 cents here in March, and it's been slowly, with decent volume right here, 22.5 million volume. That is like 22 million more than usual average volume that they have. So it jumped up from about $1.36 all the way up here to about $3. And then right here, more volume happened up here, about 21 million volume from $3 all the way up here to about $5. Obviously, it had a little bit of a pullback, and now it's continuing to trend on up. Up to the news, definitely. Now, one thing obviously is right here, it was trading at $3, took a little dip, created a little support area, and then spiked back up. Now it took a little dip. Hopefully it's going to make a support area around this $3.5, $4 area, and then hopefully we can break through this $5 area and continue to run up. Now, like I said, this is my favorite penny stock for the month of July right now to look at. Definitely one that I might be investing in and researching. Obviously, I'm going to have to do more research, just as you guys should be doing more research before investing into any of these penny stocks. All right, coming in at number 1, just like the previous one, so pretty much the number 1 and 2 penny stock on my list are my favorite ones to look right now for, but it's going to be ticker symbol CYDY. Currently trading at $6.08, down about 40 cents or 6% as of the close. The drug that's going to be looked at is going to be right there. It's going to be from mild to moderate, and it's going to be on July 2020, phase 2 completion of enrollment announced June 11th, 2020, interim analysis due July 2020. Obviously, with a lot of the stuff that's going on right now, we know that this stock is huge, and it was trading here in March around $1, spiked up and went up to about $3 with nice volume here, about 39 million in volume, so 39 million shares. It was trading here around $3 for a little bit, climbed up to almost $4, and then we had a nice support area, created right here about the $3 range. And then as the news is coming up soon, so it went up from about $3 all the way up here to a high of almost $9. Very nice volume here, huge volume, 56 million shares traded on June 30th, 2020. Obviously, it went back down a little bit to about $5, and now it's currently trading at $6. But obviously, with some positive news, if we get good drug data coming out from this one, it's gonna be crazy, because you guys know with everything that's going on right now in the world, this is something very important to everybody, and we need positive things with these vaccines to come out. So this drug that is being looked at is going to be huge for us, and if we have any type of positive data, this one is definitely going to the moon. Like we always say, get on the rocket ship. This one's going up. But obviously, with negative news or news that is not up to par with what we're expecting, it could cause the stock to climb back down. And we don't have a support area until about $3, so they could drop over 100% or 50% right there, depending. So this one, keep a very, very close eye out on. Our number 1 and our number 2 picks are very, very important to look at, but do your own research before investing into them. Okay, guys, so if you guys enjoyed those 7 penny stocks that I talked about for the month of July to invest in, obviously go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get over 500 likes on this video. I definitely know you guys can do it. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I make videos on penny stocks, blue chip stocks, dividend stocks, just any type of stock investing in general. Soon I'm going to be talking about biotech IPOs, or just IPOs in general with all stocks, and you guys might want to enjoy those, because they're going to be very, very hot, and they have a huge potential when they first come out. Also, leave a comment below, how has penny stock trading treated you in the past months, if you guys had any success. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure before you invest into any penny stocks, do your own research. If you've never traded penny stocks, I will suggest do paper trading with fake money and not trade with real money until you know what you're doing. Obviously, trade on your own opinion. Do not trade based off anybody else's opinion. Do your own research. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.